told you it was a sweet day! I told you! The Reading Rookie! You ready? Yeah! Sometimes you just kind of just pull stuff out.
It's not Christmas yet.
It'll go take time.
It's only 11:57.
Banana.
Well, let's begin with the button, or maybe Sam will wait for the time. You can get slow. What's that? I knew it. Oh, a helicopter. Show Papa. My turn.
Which car? This car?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's real Christmas first. Like a photo. Huh? What is it? Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Okay, who's next?
It's a shoe book.
It's a shoe.
There's no shoes.
There's nothing there. It's air. I love you. That's not.
Superstar shows ultimate. I told you it was a sweet day. I told you. I need to open it carefully, very ever so slightly carefully. Somehow without ripping it like.
Okay, I ripped it.
Not here anymore. Ooh, what's a Kobo thingy? I don't know what it is, but it's cool. What is it?
It's an e-reader,
Ooh, what's an e-reader?
and you can download the app to the National Library to borrow books directly from the National Library.
We always want.
Then you can read all the books you want. Yeah. Okay, this is the new Kobo Clara. It's a 6-inch tablet. Alright, Aurelia, let's start. You want to take out the cover first? Okay. Peel it off.
Nice.
Alright, just put it aside. Okay, now we have just logged into using the Wi-Fi, and you'll see the following options. Alright.
Sign in with your account,
Yep.
create a new account, or continue with Facebook or Google.
So let's do the create a new account. See what happens next. Press it.
I pressed it.
Oh, nothing happens. Okay, create a Kobo account.
So you need to write in your email address, confirm your email address, and then put the password. So we'll do
Okay,
that
so
now.
let's just do that now. Okay, go to the triple line. Yeah.
Now we're going to sign in to make an Overdrive account. Go press the home button right here, and then press the 3 lines right here, and then press settings. Now press Overdrive, and then press get started. Overdrive. Access your public library's digital catalog directly from your Kobo Clara HD anytime. To get started, you'll need these: Wi-Fi connection, Overdrive account and a library card.
Sign into Overdrive.
So we're going to press
Yeah.
sign into Overdrive. I'm just gonna press Unlock. Now you're going to put in your library card ID, the password, and there's three options, which is forgot my library ID, forgot password, or need help. Now we're going to enter it in and sign in. Now we just signed into our library account, and now it goes to this page. Overdrive. You're all set to start borrowing. You can now browse or search the Kobo catalog to find new books to borrow, buy, or preview.
Go to browse.
Let's go to browse. Ooh. Now you're set to choose and borrow books. Now that you've signed into Overdrive or created a new account for Overdrive, you will see that there's a new search button here. Press it and change it to Overdrive if you want to borrow books, or Kobo Stock if you want to buy books. Then search a random title or whatever book you want to search for, and after a few seconds it will come out here. Now we're going to press borrow for this book and see how it goes. Borrow. It'll connect to Overdrive. You've checked out an item. Go to books. It expires in 20 days, but since I've already read it, I can either return it or just read it again or just let it sit there.
Let's take a look at how it looks like in this Kobo Clara
So we're going to
e-reader.
press this. Start reading. To turn pages, tap or swipe the sides of the screen. Tap the center of the screen to bring up the reading menu and the home icon. Look up a word. Press and hold a word to see its definition. Ooh, that's cool. Add annotations. To select a passage, press and hold on and begin the beginning and drag your finger to the end. You can then highlight it and add notes. It's pretty cool. Read at night. Adjust brightness by swiping up or down along the left edge of the screen. Auto syncing. You can continue reading on any Kobo app or device, or automatically sync your progress over your Wi-Fi network. Reading menu. Just in case you're not familiar with the menu icons, here's a quick overview. Now we're going to adjust the font spacing. To do this, we're going to swipe up again, and this should come up.
Go to the AA thing. See? Font space, it means the font type, font size, line spacing, and margins.
Now if you want to
Right.
change the font type, you can change it. There's many more fonts you can try. I want to try Kobo UD Kakugo.
Okay.
So now we can see that you can change font in this one, but obviously you can't change the font in this book.
Okay. What about font size? You try the font size again. Click bigger. Slowly wait for it to refresh.
Ooh, it can get big.
Yeah. Okay.
And
What
then you
about the
can
line
also
spacing?
change the line spacing. So that means how much space is in between this.
Okay, try click. Can you see now? It gets each sentence between each sentence is the space is getting bigger.
Yeah.
Alright.
Next is margins. If you don't know what margins are, they're basically like separators. So if we press this,
The margins are the left and right. Okay. So you don't need so much margin, you reduce it.
now is justification. Justification meaning if you want to center it to the right or to the left or to the center. Right now I'm going to show you the feature that allows you to find the meaning of the words. If you just hold it over flicker, you can there are three options: highlight, add note, or search. Oops. Unfortunately, there was no definition found. We have to try another dictionary. but it's a really cool feature.
Return the book.
Now I'm going to show you how to return the book. If you press on the bottom 3 dots right there, these options will turn up. Read now, add to wish list, return, view details, add to collection, mark as unread, mark as finished, or remove. I'm going to return it. Return early. Return this item early to make it available for other readers, or to make room if you've reached your checkout limit. Now I'm going to return it. It's going to connect to Overdrive again, and what? I am not reading it. What is happening?
Try again.
Okay, I'm going to try again then.
Yeah.
Where
It's
is
done
it?
ready. Yeah. You return it ready.
Oh, I've returned it!
Yeah.
Ooh. Now I'm going to borrow the books I really want to read.